Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a super crispy, healthy instant oats dosa recipe. This instant oats dosa is easy to make and can be enjoyed as a filling breakfast in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. To make instant oats dosa, into a bowl I'm adding in 1 cup old-fashioned rolled oats. Now the reason why I'm using old-fashioned rolled oats is that it is more high in fiber. Into this I'm adding in 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, also known as methi seeds or uluva in Malayalam. I'm adding in some water and I'm going to wash and rinse this a couple of times until the water runs clear. And once rinsed, add in some more water. I'm going to soak the oats for about 10 to 15 minutes or until I get the other ingredients ready. The reason why you need to soak the oats is that soaking the oats will help to release the phytic acid content in oats. Phytic acid prevents nutrient absorption and may cause digestive issues to some people. So it's always ideal to soak grains like oats before cooking them. So I'm going to soak it for about 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the oats are nicely soaked. So I'm going to rinse it a couple of times and then I'm going to keep it on a strainer. Okay, the oats are thoroughly rinsed and I have kept it on a strainer. Into my blender jar, I am adding in 1 handful of shallots, also known as chilli in Malayalam. Shallots are a good source of iron and folate, hence I prefer to use them in my recipes. However, if you don't have shallots at hand, you can use 1 medium onion instead. For some extra added iron and folate, I am adding in 1 sprig of fresh curry leaves. Next I am adding in 1 green chilli which I am breaking into 2 and adding in. A small piece of ginger which I am roughly chopping and adding in. And then I am adding in the soaked and strained oats. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed. Add in 1 cup water. And I am going to blend this until everything is nicely mixed and it becomes into a dosa batter consistency. Pour the blended instant oats dosa batter into a bowl. If you are in a hurry in the morning and don't have time to soak the oats, you can always soak the oats overnight. The instant oats dosa batter is of pourable consistency, that is, it is of dosa batter consistency. It is neither too thick nor too thin, but of pourable consistency. Leftover batter can be stored in the refrigerator and it will stay good for a couple of days. So now let's start making crispy oats dosas. Heat a cast iron dosa tawa and grease it with wood pressed gingerly oil, also known as til oil. Reduce the flame to the lowest and pour in 1 to 1.5 ladleful of the dosa batter. Drizzle in little desi ghee in the center and on the sides. If you are a vegan, you can use wood pressed oils of your choice. And on low flame, allow the dosa to get cooked and crispy. The addition of onion or shallots will prevent the oats dosa from sticking to the tawa. Also, make sure that your tawa is a well seasoned cast iron tawa. Cast iron not only helps in heat retention, but also helps in iron absorption. So if you have iron deficiency anemia, do try to cook at least one of your meal in a cast iron cookware for better iron absorption. So the trick to prevent the oats dosa from sticking to the tawa is the addition of shallots or onion in the batter. It is the onion or shallots which prevents the oats dosa from sticking to the tawa. Once the side is crisp and nicely cooked, you can just flip it over. You can see that the dosa is not sticking to the tawa. And once that side is cooked, you can remove it from the tawa and serve. Once done, you can serve the dosa and enjoy it with sambar or chutney of your choice. You can see how crispy this oats dosa is, and no one will even guess this dosa is made with oats. Super healthy, tasty and crispy instant oats dosha is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy instant oats dosha and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.